So I thought I was on top of them. This, no, that is from one night. That's like an old drinks cup that I've brought out to fill with beer. And I've caught all of those tonight. There's about 50. It's rained today. It's been very hot the last few days. It's not rained. It's rained this afternoon, so I think that's what's brought them out. So they're out in force tonight, and there's some big whoppers. Not happy.